Julia here for my great challenge. I'm filming back to back in my bedroom. Today is Sunday. For you it is I believe Wednesday. It is day 9 in my Vlogtober series, and we are going to work together today, and we're going to do a bedside table, or pick an area. It doesn't have to be a bedside table. If you want to do that, that's fine. If you want to do something else, you can. But spend some time with me as I make decision as to what I'm keeping and not keeping. I have a trash pile on this side, if you watched the video from yesterday, and a keep pile next to it, and I have to go through all of this because it's a big mess, and Scott is goofing off in the background. Grow up! Right, so you all know that I'm super busy, but that should not excuse this, right? There's no excuse for this. It's just me being busy and messy and not caring much. You can tell. We got all sorts of nonsense here, most of which has to go. So I am going to empty out the whole thing, and it's going to be like the clown car where it's just going to keep coming out. And then I'm only going to put in what I want to keep. I'm not going to put back books that I say, oh, I'm going to read this, because there's got to be 12 of them in there. Oh, I'm going to read that. So I'm leaving it here. If I want to read a book, it's going to go in my pile of books to be read. And when I'm done with a book 5 years from now, then I'll go get a new book. Because just, you know, so... Because it's ridiculous. It's taking so much room. Like, it is like look at this. Well, you can tell. Maybe you can. All right. Well, so you can look at this. It's pretty bad. It's really, really bad. So let's empty out the whole thing. And again, only put back what we want in there. So I'm going to create a big mess in order to create a nice, clean, organized, functional, pleasing to the eye environment. Feel much better. Okay, so I need to just put the essentials in there. Oh, you want to see everything that I got out, right? Okay, hold on. Let me put my coffee out of the way. All this is everything that was in this 2-drawer little tiny itty bitty bedside table. All of this stuff. Okay. The essential. What is the essential? Okay. Earplugs. Yes. That little basket here is where I keep the meds. So, you know what? I only got one left in this. Now, what's the other one? It's somewhere in here. Here we go. I'm going to consolidate this. This is my levothyroxine. Not levothyroxine, it's nature throid. This will not. So we're going to put it right here, because I take that as soon as I wake up in the morning. Okay, so that's good. Then I have my inhaler, which I use less and less, which is a good thing. The nose spray, cough DM, that doesn't have to be here. Sore throat, that doesn't have to be here. Well, you know what? Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep a few, so that way we don't have to go downstairs if somebody starts coughing at night. Okay, next. The valerian root to help sleep. Okay, so we keep that. Good. All right, next essential. Bible. And the devotional. Okay, now this one here is my other Bible, but this one is written in Old English and I had the hardest time with it. So I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to put it downstairs. This one is the Inspire one, and it's in New Living Translation. And it's all in regular, understandable English. So for those of you, I understand English is my second language, right? So, and I still have problems with Old English. I just don't, the thou and anything ETH at the end, I can't. Okay. America's housekeeping book. Can you tell I have not read it? This is, oh, this is great. This is, what year is this? 1947. Sports equipment, the well-planned closet, washable surface when a child wants to help. Never happens at this house. Troubles and decor, coal and coke, squirrels, termites. The decorative couch. Look, that's when ladies would make their own upholstery. Okay, so perhaps pile. This. The Mass, a biblical walkthrough of the Mass. Yes. I'm keeping this. Well, do I need it here? No. I'm keeping it downstairs. Okay. I'm still reading this. 1,000 White Women. So we're gonna keep it right here. Okay. This I read. The Gift of Imperfection. One of you sent that to me. I read it. It was interesting. Okay. Put your best look forward. A guide to good looks, good health, and good grooming. And this one is from 1956. Perhaps. Because I like to read those. Sometimes, you know, I still haven't read this. That's going back downstairs. Sometimes I'm in bed and I want to look at something, but not commit to reading a story. I'll look at those. Okay. Journal of Antiques. That can go, so that's trash. This is Treasury of Secrets, a passport to a new way of life by Gaylord Houser. You remember this guy? Look at him. This is great. This is, it's gotta be late 40s, early 50s. Hold on. This is so misogynist. Feminists out there, you'll be horrified. 1951. Look younger. Look younger, live longer. You are what you eat. Your good health. Build your own body's resistance. Okay. Your good life. Your good looks. Intelligent dieting. Recipes and formulas. Okay. I saw another one. Helping your man. Use your woman power. New deal for harassed husbands. 3 gifts every man wants. Okay, let's find out. Let's find out. 3 gifts every man wants. Give him a new heart. One that will enable him to work and reach his life's goal. Give him a new waistline. His youthful looks and vigor restored. Lastly, but most important, give him a new wife. Yourself transformed within and without. By giving him these 3 great gifts, you will give yourself the greatest gift of all. A new husband, a better companion, and a better lover. One whose pride and pleasure in you will keep you young and beautiful. If you have come with me this far, you are already creating the 3rd magic gift. And this new wife, who now knows the power of good nutrition, also knows the power of her womanly wisdom to create for her man the other 2 gifts. You would think Mary Kay wrote this. This is a hoot. That's in the perhaps. Okay, what is that? Inside Beauty. The ultimate guide to looking your best. Alright, that goes downstairs. Musée des Arts Décoratifs, that goes downstairs. Mindfulness, never cracked it open. Wait. Yes, I did, maybe. I don't know. I never read it. Inspired, I like her. There was a new magazine that came out. I looked at it, but it was just fluff. So that can go. Okay, what do we have here? Some trash book. A Lucky Cowboy. That's gonna go downstairs. This is a French manual on etiquette. Okay, a Fly Lady book. That goes downstairs. This one of you sent it to me. I don't know when I'm gonna get to read it. That's gonna go downstairs. So I already made quite a dent. Okay, so this is the perhaps pile. So we're gonna put the perhaps down below because I like to read those for chuckle. Okay, then what do we have? Tiger Balm. That's gonna go in the bathroom. And then I have this. Okay, this is horrible. This is Avon Candid. I don't even know how I got. Yikes. Ugh. Trash. It's horrible. I don't know how I got this. Okay, this is so old. That can go. This is La Vie est Belle, Lancôme. Yeah, you see? They make me sneeze. They're so bad. Ugh. I think scent is so personal, you know? See, now that, I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that. I need another little container of sorts to careen that. Yeah, just throw one out, we'll go pick it up. Okay. Oh, that's my other one. This one only got 23 left in it. What's the expiration on that? August 2014. Yeah, that can go. That can go. Okay, this is my dry brush that goes in the bathroom. So that's relocate. That I like. This is sweet almond oil, Crabtree and Avon. So, and it fits standing up, so we're gonna keep it. Yes, I like that. Alright, so you go in here, we'll get you a box. Okay, remote control. Yes. That's the book my sister gave me in French. that's an etiquette book in French. We're gonna keep that here because I gotta browse through it. I haven't looked at it yet. That's the remote for the dehumidifier, so that's a yes. These are random cards that can go. That's a trash pile right here. This relocate. This I'm keeping. That's that little New Zealand. You know who you are, right? Page marker. That's my phone case. This is for an Apple phone. I don't have an Apple phone. That goes in that little bag of wires. The randomness. Okay, and now I got a whole bunch of pens. So, that goes with the Apple phone. No, that's a Samsung. That's me. Alright, so now I got pens. One more remote. That's for the HD thing. These are the highlighters I use when I read the Bible. And everything else can go. I'm only going to keep 3. That's why I need that little basket thing. Okay. I'm running out of battery, so I'm going to go fast. This is trash. Alright, this thing here, that was sent to me. I refused to do a review on it. They begged me to do a review, and I told them I'm not doing it. It's not working. It's a one of those big watches. I should have it in here somewhere. And it supposedly counts, you know, your steps and all of that, but it also counts your calorie intake, your carbohydrate intake. Garbage. I went a whole week with 0 carbs and my carb percentage never went down, and I told them and they were just like, well, you know, you gotta give it time. No, it's not working. That's trash. Keep. Keep. Relocate. Ugh. Relocate. Yes. Keep. Fitbit. Keep. And keep. Oh. Maybe I'll use that to contain some of that stuff, so it's not flying all over. There you go. So look, now I only have this drawer here with what I'm actually reading right now. My meds, odds and ends like remotes, the pens, highlighter pens I use for the Bible reading. And then in this drawer, I only got like the maybe pile of books that are just kind of like if I want to browse something real quick, and that's it. Everything else is gone. So my trash pile keeps growing, and so is my relocate pile. And see, now that is clutter. That is real cluttered. All this stuff that needs to be relocated, that's there and doesn't belong there, is what makes you feel cluttered because you didn't put it back. I didn't put it back where it belongs. So all of this is going to have to get relocated and go back where they actually belong in order for me to be able to enjoy a bedside table and a bedroom that is not crowded with nonsense. So this was video number 9. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to take a break and start filming video number 10 because I'm tackling that area over there and then all of this junk here that needs to be put up on the marketplace. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.